Hi guys, so today I'll be trying out this new alphabet die set that Die Press is about to HSN ahead of the August 13th craft show. It is the Foliage alphabet set, so excuse me, so I'm really excited to get to this one. Really cute. There are two alphas this time around. One of them, I think it's called Harvest Alpha, is like an auto ship type option. This one is the one you're going to receive like if you're just picking up this one, right? We'll review and talk about the other one shortly. So let's focus on the little foliage one. This is so cute. I love it. So I couldn't tell if it was going to be embossed or cut into it, and it looks like it's embossed, so that's really adorable. Let's open this guy up. And so Die Press did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Possibly, with HSN and YouTube, it could be a little area here that says shop products or shop embedded in the video, and you would just click on that, or underneath the video title, or again in the description box if you open that up. So at Die Press, they always include some tools. Yeah, they always include some tools. So 2 sticky sheets that you would just cut out your little die cut. You face the back of the die cut towards the little gray dots, and scrub, 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 and those little dots will be on there ready to put on your project with an applicator and the instruction sheet. It always comes with a marquee cutting folder, refill for your marquee die cutting machine. If you do not have that, do not worry. These thin metal dies will go through any machine that cut thin metal dies. So, but it's always nice to have that, so I appreciate they include that every time. And then let's look at our inspo. Of course, we have our alpha. I'll give you a measurement in just a moment, and we'll just get right to it. So, A through Z, there you go, and with the cute little embossed foliage there. I think this is going to look really nice on like metallic or pearlescent things too, because it just embosses that in there, and it looks really, really cute. So there you go. Oh, I like the style too. The font is really nice. And let's give you a quick measure, and then we're just going to hop to it. So I would say metal to metal, it's about 1 3/8. So the letter itself is just about 1 1/4. I would say maybe, yeah, just about 1 1/4. You know how it's kind of beveled up here and stuff, so it's kind of, I'm trying to give you a good measure. I would say 1 1/4 is where it's at. So really nice size. And the width, they're about 3/4 inch wide, I would say. It depends on the letter. So there you go. All right, guys, we're going to create a card, I think. So I will be right back. So I have some paper here. I think I'm going to make my card base and craft card. And I'm not sure if this is cut at 5 1/2 because I think I used it for something else. So let's just make sure that's the case. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than 5 1/2. So A2 size, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Just using some craft cards. Since we are going to fall, I'm going to make a fall card. And depending on where we are in the releases here, because I am making these videos in July, so they're very early, you might have a little sneak peek of the Today Special. So 4 1/8, because that's the matte layer I like. Because we're going to do a little watercolor background, and then just have our little lettering on top. So put that there. And you know what? So to not show too much of the Today Special, I think what I'm going to do is just bring out something like this guy. It's the little carrier that comes with the grip mat. It's not carrier, it's the grid thing. All you need is something that's going to help you put water down, and that's what I want to do. And I'm going to grab some watercolors, you guys. Again, I don't know where I am on the releases, but that's all I'm going to show y'all. And then I need a little bit of water, and I think I'll take it from this. So this accessory kit, it's an add-on set you can pick up, is already available there on HSN. Again, I don't know when I'm putting out this video, so it's a little sneak peek, but also this is already available. I'm just going to get some water on here. And let's do some green in here. I don't really need to wipe this off. I think I'm just going to go right into like brown. I would say a little orange. If you're going to do that, you're going to get it closer to the brown because it's going to mix in a way that might be a little bit funky. So I would just get it closer to the brown area. And I'm just going to lay this on here. Get some of that color on there. Pick it up. And I mean, that's basically it. You can keep repeating that if you like. You can actually, we can do this. Hit it with the heat tool and then do it again. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'll be right back. So what I love about this is that as you're drying it, you can kind of chase the water around and move it around, and it's really fun. I'm gonna add a little more green. I think I want a little more green in this. Okay, and then I can do it again, and either dab it in the same areas or switch it up, but I think I'm going to go back to the same areas and add a little more. Very cool. Okay, now I'm going to hit that again with the heat tool, and so we have different layers, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that. Maybe a little more drying right there. I'm going to clean up and just rinse this off. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got a little sneak peek of the today's special, and just so you know, there is something in there that would help you do what I just did, but you'll see. So anyway, let's pop this on here, and I'm just going to put some weight on top of this, and this is going to be a very quick video because this is a very quick card. So again, this wasn't anything special, just regular paper, so you know, I was kind of taking care to not put too much water in because paper does get waterlogged in a funky way, but I just did that. I'm going to put something heavy on top of this. I usually just put like a big something, and I usually put my machine on top of it, but I'm going to use my machine in just a moment, so maybe I'll replace that with something else. You know, I didn't grab what I wanted to grab for this, but that's okay. So I have these guys, excuse me, so from the fall Halloween set, I'm going to take the word happy, so I'm going to use that also to help me create my card. And so I'm going to run that through a couple times, probably through some brown or orange, something like that, why not? And then the words fall, so fall, I think I'll cut through, I'll run through some like gold paper. So F-A-L-L. I'm just trying to think if I was going to drop shadow them. You know what, let's drop shadow them, why not? So I'll run that through some gold paper, and then 2 L's of course, and then I'll also run it through some brown paper. I'll be right back. Things here. I always put these guys back on. People ask me all the time, do I keep these things on the carrier? So I use the die press pockets. I love those. And so I would just put this right in the pocket just like this on the carrier. You know, if you want to take them off and pop them in there, you can definitely do that. But yeah, I generally keep the carriers for as long as they will hold. So there you go. Let's see here. I do like magnetic sheets, so if you find some that fit in there, or some people I think pick up some kind of air conditioner cover that you can find at Home Depot that helps you, I guess, put some kind of magnetic thing on there so that the wind doesn't come in. I don't know. But you can get that stuff too. So I'm going to line each of my letters like this. And then you, well, if we were talking about the magnetic stuff, you just cut it down and have it fit. So then you have that for it. Okay, so I'm just going to take all my letters and just drop shadow them just a little bit to the left, right, the brown. And I did use a bronzy kind of gold color. Bronzy kind of gold? Yeah. So anyway, I'll glue them all together like that. Okay. This one has a little tape on it from dye. There we go. And then these two, I ran it through twice because I want to go ahead and just make this a little bit thicker, a little sturdier. So there's that. So I'll be right back once I stick them all together. I usually like doing 3 of these, but I think 2 is good. And I cut them both from the craft card because I didn't want to cut it. A lot of times I'll run it through white paper, but I didn't want white peeking out because I really want this to be very brown kind of tones, you know, so I kept it craft card. I'll be right back. Okay guys, real quick, before I complete sticking these down, I do want to show you what that looks like with the little embossing on something that's metallic, and then just if it was just regular cardstock, you know, really cute detail. Okay, so let's get this guy out from under here. Again, just holding it down because we did add all that water to that. Cute. Okay, so let me think. don't know if I was going to do it this way. Oh, you know, I didn't even think about the size because it's just like perfect sizing here. If it can go this way or the other direction, I was just going to concentrate this. So that's all we're looking at. Cute. Something like that. I'm just eyeballing right now. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so let me think. Do I want to move it all the way over here though? Keep it towards the center. I think that's cute. Yeah, maybe over here, huh? Why not? Alright, so I have 3 of these and I don't know why. Yeah, it's right next to me and I'm like, I'll be right back. Let me go find this. Okay, so basically I just want to glue these down. I think I'm going to base it off of, let's go ahead and glue the A down first. And then the rest of the letters should be a little bit more in, if that makes sense, like over here. Because the back of the A is so wide, right? So if I just do that and then just move this over just a little bit, that'll help me line those guys up. Okay. And then I'm going to put some weight on top of them once I get this down because I can see that they need that. So F, L and L. And I'm just eyeballing as far as how far away they are from each other, up and down, you know. So it can be a little bit higher up. I'm just holding them just for a second, that way when I remove this I can put that weight back on and it'll hold them down for me. And then we'll add our happy. But for right now, that's all I'm doing. Move that. Just put a little weight to hold those guys down, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, so just went and did some dishes, using my time wisely. I love that. I love just that background. It's really fun. And then we'll put this guy in here. I think here. You can put wherever you like. I think right there is cute. So that will be my card for today. You know, if you want to add your little pearls, rhinestones, you know, other splatters. I mean, it's just a really fun artsy card, whatever it is that you'd like to do. And there it is. So thank you so much to Impress for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. You got a sneak peek there of the Today Special with that beautiful palette. That what I showed you in that little, you know, where you saw it isn't even everything that's in that palette. So keep an eye out. You will definitely see all that is included in the Today Special. It's going to be really great, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.